The Web Galleries page is where you'll add categories for your specific artworks. You can add a new web gallery by simply clicking the Add New Web Gallery button. From here, you'll give your gallery a name. I'll just call this Sample Gallery. You'll give it an abbreviation and a description. The display order is the order which this gallery will appear on your home page. I'm going to set this gallery to a position of 1. If you want to hide this gallery from public view, you can enable that, and this gallery will only show in the back end, not on the front end. You can also password protect a gallery, enabling only a password to be required in order to view the gallery. I'll leave both of these options off for now. When you add the gallery, it will automatically display on the Web Galleries page in the order. Notice this first one is set to the order 0. My sample gallery is set to the order 1, which is why it appears second. You can set a featured image for a specific gallery by simply clicking the Set Featured Image. This will redirect you to a page where you can then sort through all of the artworks you have uploaded to your call to set a featured image. I'll just set the featured image for this specific gallery as this painting to show you this. You simply click the Set Featured Gallery, select which one this belongs to, my sample gallery, and click Set Featured Image. Notice how now that sample gallery has a featured image. When I view my public website, you'll be able to see that the sample gallery now has that featured image and it is in position 1, meaning it's the second gallery listed. Pay special attention to the order of your gallery layout. The order only comes into play if you're working with a theme that is not a masonry style layout, like this specific theme is. Watch what happens if I come to my admin backend and I switch my settings and change my site theme to a theme that is not a standard layout. So we're going to go with the creative theme here, and we will click Update Theme, and then let's move back to our public facing website. Now notice in this, the layout is automatically configured according to the masonry layouts. So even though the specific gallery has a setting of 1, it may or may not appear as the second gallery, as the ordering here is automatic. In your web galleries, if you want to change the order of individual artworks within a gallery, simply click and drag the artworks in the specific order that you want. Once you're happy with the ordering, you can go ahead and click Save Current Ordering, and that order will be saved. Now let's go ahead and preview this gallery. So let's view the public website. Let's come into the oil paintings gallery, and you can see that those oil paintings will now be laid out in that specific gallery order, assuming I'm not on a masonry style layout. Within the Web Galleries page, you can also edit any of the settings at any time. So I can come in here and edit a specific gallery and change any of the settings anytime I want. Lastly, let's look at a gallery that has password protection. Notice down here on my private gallery, I have this set to require the password of password. So when I come over to my public website and I navigate into the private gallery, it will ask me for the password in order to view the artworks within that gallery. I must provide the password and then click Submit in order to see those artworks. This is useful if you have a client that you want to be able to show your artworks to, but not necessarily make those artworks publicly visible. Notice that galleries will lay out with certain information visible or not visible. That information is customizable via the Edit Gallery Display settings. You can simply click this button, or you can also come to the Settings tab and click on the Web Gallery settings. From here, you can decide whether you want to turn on the featured slider, whether you want gallery titles, artwork titles, descriptions, artwork prices, dimensions, things like that, visible or non-visible. Watch what happens when I turn all of this information on and update my gallery. Now when I come back to my public facing website, let's come into a specific gallery, and you can notice now that I've hidden my gallery descriptions and titles. If I come back to the admin backend, and let's go into my web galleries and edit the gallery settings one last time, let's uncheck these, meaning all of these information will now be visible, not hidden, and update the gallery, move back to the public facing website, and now you can see I have my titles and descriptions turned on. I can see all of that information in each artwork.